the search for the genetic material, right? During that time, we have learned first scientist who had started this work journey, Frederick Mister. Frederick Mister discovered what? Nuclein, something present in the nucleus, and he for that he observed what? WBCs. Second, that's the scientist Watson and Crick, right? Watson and Crick prepared what? Double helical structure of DNA. Next, Gregor Mendel also worked on the genetics, father of genetics. He told us that the gametes are pure, segregation of alleles are there, and same thing. Gregor Mendel generally works on plant. Animals पे किसने वर्क किया? Sorry, animal पे किसके वर्क किया? Thomas Hunt Morgan, right? Both did the work for this segregation of that alleles, chromosomes, and all this. And this thing, Walter Sutton and one more scientist, Boveri, right? They gave us what? Chromosomal theory of inheritance, right? कि जैसे chromosome segregate हो रहा है, the genes which are located on this chromosome that also segregates, right? This all that's over during that time, right? In 19, Mendel's work period. 1856 to 1863, right? ये 18 से जब तक ये that's a good microscopes invent नहीं हुए थे, during that time this things was analyzed कि something present in that, फिर ये movement होता है chromosomal movements and all this thing, right? Next 1928, remember which one? 1928. In 1928, one of the scientists, right? Scientist name Frederick Griffith. क्या है scientist name? Frederick Griffith. This one we call Griffith experiment, or else transforming principle, or else we call what? Transforming principle. Clear? So first, that's a Frederick Griffith. He performed this experiment. An experiment we call transforming principle. In which year he performed? 1928. For that, actually he worked on one of the bacteria. That bacteria name is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Which one? Streptococcus pneumoniae. Repeat. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae cause what? Pneumonia. Yes, that cause what? Pneumonia. Pneumonia that is related to which disorder? Lung, liver, kidney, which one? Lungs, right? Pneumonia in that alveoli gets affected. Instead of air, fluid film formation process start and all this. So Streptococcus pneumoniae, this bacteria he had chosen. In that he selected two strains. Bacteria के different strains है. So he selected two different strain. One S strain, other R strain. S for smooth, R for rough. समझ में आ रहा है? S for which one? Smooth and appearance point of view, and the R is a which one? Rough. अगर हम डिटेल में करें, not given in your book, but S में भी further different types are there. S1, S2, S3 ऐसे है. He had selected S3 strain and R में उन्होंने select किया था R2 strain. Clear? S3 and other is a which one? R2. Now, why this bacteria that form smooth colony, smooth structure? Because they have that kind of the gene that form the coat, mucus coat. This thing can be formed. Which one? Mucus coat. Polysaccharide से बना होता है, glycocalyx, you know ना, right? So वो mucus coat is formed in case of this S3. But that thing is not formed in case of which one? R2. Mucus coat polysaccharide structure is not formed in case of which one? R2, but formed in case of S3. Right? अभी इसके पास ये extra layer है. Right? Which one? Extra layer है. So with extra layer, imagine that S3 enter into our system. One is a S3, other is a R2. Both enter into our system. Which one can easily damage by our immune system to this? R2, because this one does not have that mucus coat. राइट. सो म्यूकस कोट नहीं है तो हमारा सिस्टम जो है उसको इजीली क्या कर देगा, डिस्ट्रॉय, राइट. This has the ability to cause what? Pneumonia. But this is the what kind of strain considered as a non-pathogenic avirulent. Which one? Avirulent. Which one? Avirulent. Avirulent meaning what? Virulent virus मत समझना. Avirulent meaning what? Non-pathogenic. Clear? Non-pathogenic. This is right. That organism cannot be died. Next one, S3 strain, smooth colonies. They have that extra covering, polysaccharides, mucus coat, so that what happen, as and when they enter, right, easily cannot be damaged our immune system to that. So that cause what? That reach to that target site, that is the lungs, and cause what? Pneumonia. So this strain we call which one? Virulent. Which one? समझ में आया? First, Griffith worked on Streptococcus pneumoniae virus or bacteria? Bacteria. He selected two strains, S3 and R2. Wake up, huh? S3 and R2. S3 smooth colonies. R2 why we call rough? Because absence of mucus. Here that coat is present, right? Mucus है jali like, so smooth coat is there. Next, which one is a avirulent? Rough R2, that is avirulent, but the S strain is a which one? Virulent. Clear? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Okay. Now next is a which one over here? R2 and S3, right? That both have the ability that infects the lung, but this one over here behaves as a which one? Avirulent, because our immune system can damage this. Pause. Bolo. Okay. Frederick Griffith, after selected that Streptococcus pneumoniae, two different strains, which are there first? Now he had chosen that experimental model organism, that's the mice. He selected what? Mice, right? So now next mice, first of all, that he had taken mice and injected, right? Injected R strain Streptococcus pneumonia. Now you have to recall R लिखा है, meaning which strain? A virulent. So that one cause pneumonia? No. Yes or no? Right? So mice will survive or die? Survive. Right? Next one. After that, second, mice injected with S strain. So क्या होगा? Mice will die because of that pneumonia. Clear? थर्ड में उन्होंने क्या किया? माइस प्लस एस स्ट्रेन बैक्टीरिया को ट्रीट किया बाय प्रोवाइडिंग हीट 60 डिग्री सेल्सियस के अराउंड, राइट, फॉर अराउंड 30 मिनट्स ऐसा है. ही हैड गिवन दैट हीट सो दैट heat that bacteria S strain, now we call heat killed S strain bacteria. Bacteria die by providing what? That heat, right? So this strain name now we call heat killed S strain. Heat killed S strain, right? Killed bacteria है, S strain ही है, so क्या हुआ होगा? Mice survive or die? Survive. Mice survive. Now next one. Then he thought like this कि चलो इसमें तो क्या है? Death of the mice. But अभी ये दोनों क्या हो रहे? ये दोनों कंडीशन में survive. So now he had given mixture. He had given what? Mixture. मान लो कि आप ही Frederick Griffith हो, right? And when you give the mixture of this thing, तो क्या होगा? आप एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या होगी? ये दोनों में सर्वाइव कर रहे तो मिक्सचर में भी क्या होना चाहिए? सर्वाइव, राइट? सो आर स्ट्रेन एंड मिक्सचर ऑफ विच वन? हीट किल एस स्ट्रेन, राइट? फर्स्ट ही प्रिपेयर्ड द कल्चर ऑफ दिस टू. फर्स्ट he prepared what? Culture in which he add R strain as well as which one? Heat killed S strain. R strain, other is a which one? Heat killed S strain. and then after that this combi injected into mice. First made culture कि एक ही कॉलोनी में बैटरी प्लेट्स लैब में है, राइट, इन that's the nutrient medium is added and allowed to grow this type of bacteria colonies they form, and then he had injected this thing into the bacteria, sorry, into the mice, right. Now next is a which one? So when he injected this combination R strain and the which one, heat killed S strain, so he observed that mice will die, right. mice का क्या होगा? Death. So यहाँ पे main mystery create हुआ कि यहाँ individual when given then mice survive, but when combinedly, right, that injected into the mice, then mice death occur, right. So that he concluded this thing. क्या हो सकता है आप बताओ? Anyone can try? What happens over here so that the pneumonia occurs in this organism and the mice die? Pause. So when he injected, right, that which combination? R strain and he killed S strain into mice. So that, and during that he observed what? Mice die. He expected what? Mice will survive, isn't it? But exactly reverse हुआ, right? Over here the main journey begins. In that he observed that heat kill R तो पहले से ही avirulent था, yes or no? Possibility कहाँ पे? Only in this S strain. Is that something from that S strain, heat killed S strain, transferred to which one? R strain, so that R strain of Streptococcus pneumoniae become virulent. That becomes which one? Virulent, and cause what? Pneumonia. Cause what? Pneumonia. And pneumonia की वजह से उसकी death हुई. Cause death नहीं बोल सकते हम. बोलिए, clear है? Understood this thing? Yes or no? Sure. So Frederick Griffith, your experiment name? Transforming principle, right? In that he had chosen which organism? Streptococcus pneumoniae for experiment, right? And for that he selected two different strains. Which are they? Very good. S3 and R2. S3 in that virulence. Next R2 A virulent or not चलेगा. Which one cause pneumonia? S3 जो virulent है that cause pneumonia, right? And the R2 do not cause pneumonia, right? R3 which one has, sorry, R2 which one has the extra protein, sorry, that's the sugar coat, polysaccharide coat? S3, which is absent in case of R2, right? Now he had taken which organism? Mice, and mice, in that first he injected what? R strain, which is A virulent, so mice survive because this strain do not cause pneumonia, mice will survive. Second, mice में क्या inject किया? S strain, which is the virulent that cause pneumonia, so mice die. Third combi उन्होंने क्या? Third is which one is used over here? जो pneumonia कर रहा था उसको heat provide करके kill कर दिया, and then he want to observe still here the chances are there for pneumonia or not? Then no. So heat kill S strain injected into mice, mice will survive. But when combination is given, right? Heat kill survive का combination R strain and heat kill S strain. तो expected क्या था? But हुआ क्या? Die. Why? Okay, ये जो last combi आया, from that he concluded this experiment that something he didn't know that कि DNA transfer हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? He told us what? Something is transfer from heat killed S strain to the R strain, so that R strain become virulent. R strain become virulent and cause what? Pneumonia. Understood? Clear? So ये up to that we have learned that Griffith stated what? Frederick Griffith stated something is transferred from heat killed S strain to R strain, right? Now वो something को हमें आगे find out करना, right? So for that, three scientists, see in your textbook that Oswald Avery, Next, that's Colin MacLeod and Maclean McCarthy. Simply, we can say that the Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy experiment, right? These three scientists worked for how many years? 1933. हाँ, जो अभी हम 15 मिनट्स में लर्न कर लेते हैं, he actually studied for 10 years, 1933 to that's a 44. Now, next is a which one? That they did what over here? So they did first of all they separated out all that biochemicals. First, अगर यहाँ पे हम कल्चर प्लेट बना रहे हैं in which the R colonies are there. R meaning R strain, right? R strain कैसा था? A virulent, right? And A virulent in this one, they actually did two kind of experiment, right? First में they did what? That they segregated, isolated और separated that's biomolecules. जो वो टाइम पे मेजरली ये था कि either the genetic material can be of protein or DNA और RNA, ये तीन में से कोई है, right? During that time, वो जो era था, right? During that time, everyone thought like this कि ये तीन में से क्या होंगे? One of them is a which one? Genetic material, right? So from the heat-killed S strain, remember which one? Heat-killed S strain, because heat-killed S strain ने R को क्या बनाया था? Virulent. So they isolated all these chemicals, right? जो एस स्ट्रेन होता है ना, बेसिकली एस स्ट्रेन, राइट? एस स्ट्रेन की अगर मैं बात करूं, हीट किल्ड भी जाने दो, एस स्ट्रेन की अगर मैं बात, बिकॉज हीट की वजह से वो प्रोटीन्स डैमेज होंगे, यू नो दैट, हाई टेम्परेचर प्रोटीन्स नेचर. सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट एस स्ट्रेन में से प्रोटीन्स को एक्सट्रैक्ट किया एंड देन प्रोटीन्स एड इनटू दिस कल्चर मीडियम. एस स्ट्रेन के प्रोटीन्स को कहां पे ऐड किए? आर स्ट्रेन. सो क्या होगा फिर? ये आर स्ट्रेन इंजेक्टेड इनटू माइस, तो माइस विल सर्वाइव और नॉट सर्वाइव? ये हमें अभी पता है, बिकॉज प्रोटीन कैन नॉट बी द जेनेटिक मटेरियल, राइट? तब जब इन्होंने ये जस्ट आर स्ट्रेन in which the proteins of that's a S strain added over here, and then this thing after that they observe this thing also कि R strain जो था ना, वो R strain के फॉर्म में ही रहा था एक्चुअली, राइट? उसके ऊपर वो प्रोटीन कोड इज नॉट फॉर्म, बिकॉज ये तो प्रोटीन था, इसके पास कोई जीन नहीं है टू फॉर्म दैट प्रोटीन कोड. प्रोटीन आ रहा है, दैट डज नॉट मीनिंग ओवर हियर कि दे फॉर्म प्रोटीन कोड, राइट? हमारे बॉडी में भी प्रोटीन्स के लिए जीन्स है डीएनए के ऊपर, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो फॉर्म होता है. नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड, दे रिलीज्ड ओवर हियर व्हाट? आरएनए. फ्रॉम विच स्ट्रेन? एस स्ट्रेन. एंड देन अगेन दे ऑब्जर्व कि आर स्ट्रेन एस में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है कि नहीं. सो अगेन दे रिमेन इन अ विच फॉर्म? आर स्ट्रेन. नेक्स्ट कौन सा आया? डीएनए. फ्रॉम विच स्ट्रेन? एस स्ट्रेन, राइट? And they observed some of the basically R strain, suppose this one, that convert into the which one over here? S strain. Next, this one also converts into which one? S, right? On that, that DNA की वजह से now they start forming the which one? That is protein code, right? So ये उनका एक preliminary experiment था. Then they did what? अगर ये उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया तो आर से एस में कन्वर्जन मिला. व्हेन दे इंजेक्टेड दिस इनटू द माइस, तो माइस विल डाई. तो इससे क्या कंक्लूजन मिला? दैट डीएनए शुड बी द व्हाट? जेनेटिक मटेरियल. डीएनए इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कन्वर्जन ऑफ आर स्ट्रेन इनटू द एस स्ट्रेन. नेक्स्ट, उन्होंने यही सेटअप को कौन से फॉर्मेट में किया? इन दैट हियर दैट्स द आर स्ट्रेन इज देयर, राइट? R strain with that heat killed S strain. Remember R strain and the which one? Heat killed S strain. Okay. Now reverse भी अगर आप सोचो, heat killed S strain है, right? And R strain in that अगर प्रोटीन्स है, फर्स्ट बेसिक क्लियर करो. प्रोटीन्स को अगर मुझे डाइजेस्ट करना है, राइट, तो कौन सा एंजाइम चाहिए? प्रोटीएस. प्रोटीन्स को डाइजेस्ट करना है तो प्रोटीएस. वैसे ही शुगर को डाइजेस्ट करना है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इन जनरल वी कॉल। आरएनए को डाइजेस्ट करना है तो आरएनएस, विच एंजाइम इज नीडेड, आरएनएस, राइट। वैसे ही डीएनए को डिग्रेड करना है देन डीएनएस, राइट। ये एंजाइम्स है, फर्स्ट दिस एंजाइम्स आर नीडेड, राइट। आरएनएस अनदर नेम राइबोन्यूक्लियस भी बोलते हैं इसको, क्या बोलते हैं, राइबोन्यूक्लियस। ओके, सो प्रोटीएस, RNase or ribonuclease, and third is a which enzyme, DNase. Third is a which one, DNase. ये 3 enzymes उन्होंने यूज किए। क्लियर, फर्स्ट कितना क्लियर है, 3 enzymes, protease, RNase and DNase. Understood this thing? First part clear? First part में they isolated what, that chemicals mentioned in your book from the which one, heat kill strain. Which chemicals get isolated? Proteins, lipids, DNA and RNA, right? Now next one, after that they did what? Heat killed strain. Which one? Heat killed strain. Now they are using this enzyme. हीट किल एस्ट्रेन को अगर हम प्रोटीएस से ही चलो ट्रीट करते हैं, राइट। सो जितने भी प्रोटीन है वो क्या हो जाएंगे, डैमेज, यस और नो, एंड देन कंबाइन विद दैट आर स्ट्रेन एंड देन इंजेक्ट टू माइस। माइस विल सर्वाइव और नॉट, बोलिए, माइस विल सर्वाइव और नॉट, बिकॉज डीएनए अभी भी क्या है, इंटैक्ट, यस और नो। हीट किल एस्ट्रेन का क्या डैमेज किया है, प्रोटीन्स, नॉट द डीएनए। समझ में रहे, सेम थिंग, हीट किल एस्ट्रेन ट्रीट विथ आरएनएस एंजाइम। विच वन, आरएनएस एंजाइम। सो डिस्ट्रॉय क्या होगा, आरएनएस, एंड इसको अगर आर स्ट्रेन के साथ कंबाइन करके इंजेक्ट करें माइस में तो क्या होगा, माइस विल डाई। क्यों, बिकॉज डीएनए अभी भी क्या है, इंटैक्ट। थर्ड वन, दैट हीट किल एस्ट्रेन ट्रीटेड विथ नाउ विच एंजाइम, तो वो किसको किल करेगा, डीएनए को किल कर देगा, यस और नो, एंड दैट नाउ combined with R strain and injected into mice, mice will survive, right? Now the mice means R strain cannot be become virulent, remain avirulent and do not cause pneumonia, so mice will survive. This thing suggested what, DNA should be the genetic material, right? But again, as I said, opposition party, है ना, they thought like what, protein should be the genetic material, not the DNA. तो इसके भी आगे और दो साइंटिस्ट है, that's the Hershey and Chase experiment. Which one? Hershey and Chase. Hershey and Chase experiment, this is the one of the best experiment. They had given us unequivocal proof. Unequivocal proof meaning what? 100% कोई उसको अपोज कर ही ना सके. In that way, unequivocal proof, 100% he told us DNA only the genetic material, right? प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे था, डीएनए आरएनए या डीएनए प्रोटीन कहाँ पे आ रहा था, डीएनए एंड प्रोटीन. Some belongs to the DNA, some belongs to protein, should be the genetic material. So they worked on this only, DNA and protein. Clear?